Almost everything today is about marketing, including how we invite people to the church or to follow Christ. With this insatiable focus on positivity, that positivity can sometimes become toxic. Those who have lived through adversity know that to live a good life, there must be balance. Going to extremes often leads to negative outcomes, which is simply a fact, whether we accept it or not. Within this premise, if you are a faithful follower of Christ, you know that yes, God is exceedingly loving, faithful, merciful, gracious, and forgiving. However, mga classmates, we also understand that as perfect and holy, God is also, as I often said, just, fair, detest evil, especially immorality, greed, envy, and most of all, pride. God is our creator, mga classmates. So, He has every right and power to guide us according to His purpose. Unfortunately, many people, especially non-believers, tend to emphasize only the loving, merciful, gracious, and forgiving side of God. They consider anything else contradictory to their concept of who God is. They often remain ignorant of who God truly is according to Scripture, hoping to deny responsibility through ignorance. But mga classmates, the truth is, if God exists and the Bible is true, then the message of this parable is also true. At the time of God's judgment, He will separate the righteous from the wicked.